Oops, I did it again. Catch you in a minute. What is going on, everybody, and welcome to NYGT Entertainment, and I am Joel. Welcome to a new series. Sorry, the car is extremely dirty, but we have called her Project 6 Stang. It's Instagram, Project 6 Stang. I'll put it somewhere out here. We're going to go ahead and start doing a little bit of mods on her. Again, I'm not doing any motor work. It's a 6-cylinder and it is for my daughter, but we are going to change the appearance a little bit, and starting off with some must-dos in my opinion, because see that hood prop right there? Where is it? Right there. It's got to go. So today what we're doing, let me flip this around real quick. What we are doing is getting rid of the hood props and putting the hood struts in, and then doing a little bit of a modification right here. I want you to take a good look at the way it looks right now. The install is roughly, 1 to 2 minutes, so it's not that big of a deal. But like I said, I want y'all to see what we're working with right now and see what we're working with in a minute. Hold on. All right, as you can see, I got this from LMR, so I want to thank LMR for not hooking me up and making me pay my full price for it. Appreciate it. No, I'm joking. There was a discount code for it, but I think everybody gets it. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and show you what's in the box. Hold on. All right, everybody, that's what we're installing today. What that is the hood struts right here, and they're made by Redline. It's the only ones I use, so that's what I went with. They're good quality and pretty simple to install. And then we're putting the pony cover. I think this was a pony package or something that you would get with this. What it does, it covers all this nonsense up, so it makes it look like one big piece. Some people take it off, some people don't care. I like the finished look, so that's where I'm going with this. So we'll catch you in a minute when we start doing the install. All right, everyone, step one was to put this on. What it does, all it does is twist on to your oil neck like your oil cap would. And what it does, it extends it out and flattens it so you can use the cover. And then the other thing was, see if you could see them. See those grommets right there? See if I can focus this in a little bit. Those two grommets go there. That is the install. Let me put the cover on and I will show you what it looks like. All right, everyone, there it is. The cover is now on. And I think it looks a whole lot better. It looks like a whole motor. So, like I said, it's only a piece of plastic and rubber, but to me, it just makes a big difference. It just looks finished. So, yeah. So that's that part. We're done with that. So now, on to the hood struts. And I will get to that in 1 second. All right, everyone. Part 2 of this part 2 stage is the hood struts. I use Redline, like I said previously. They seem to be the best and easiest for the Mustangs for me. Come with well-defined directions, in color at that, the hardware that you need, and then you'll need a 1/2 inch and a 10mm and a socket. And that's all you're going to need to do the install. So, what you need to do first, or last, however you want to hit it, you see these holes right here? Those are for these pieces right there. It's for the prop itself. It just goes in, whoop, right in there, and then the nut tightens down and pinches it on that. I'll show you the nut a little better. And then the other half goes right here. You take that bolt out, put the other part in, and then you're pretty much done. And I'll show you that here in a sec. So let me get to it. All right, guys. So this is the piece I'm talking about that fits up in that hole right there. So what it does, you see how it screws in and out? You got to get this part up in there and then you sit there and you give it a little tension and screw it up, and then it pinches itself between the metal and the hole itself, so it'll sit just like this. So I'll show you real quick how to do that. Like I said, none of this stuff is hard. You shove it in, go like that, give yourself some tension. There you go. It's in there. Tighten it up and you're done with it. We'll see you in a sec. Alright everybody, I went ahead and took out that bolt, 10 millimeter bolt, 10 millimeter bolt right there. As you can see, right here in my hand. Goes right there. All you have to do, see this piece right here? It lays over the hole and then it lays on the side right there. Tighten it down and then you're done with this step. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten that down and show you what I'm talking about. Alright, there you go. As you can see, that is in there now. It doesn't move side to side. It's pretty good. You don't need to over tighten it there, because if you over tighten it, you're going to jack up your bolt and then you got a whole different set of problems, because that connects to your fender and everything else. So just want to get it snug but not super Herculean string tight. And there's the other part right up there. So yeah, let me put the strut on and then I'll show you what's going on. Alright everyone, this is the strut itself. Sorry that it's a little blurry, but for some reason this camera doesn't like to hold on it. There is the name branding. That you want to have pointed out as such, like this. And the shock part goes to the top. I always seem to install these backwards and I want to do it this way. I don't know if there's a right or wrong to it, but this is the way it's always shown to be done. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like on. Alright everyone, there it is. It is now installed. And as you can see, it's up there. It's down there. Now what you do is you just mirror it the same way on this side. Same hole. And then it goes right back here into the center hole. And then you'll have them both on, and then you take that out. We'll get back to you 1 second. I'll get this other side on, and then we'll go to taking that off. Alright everyone, here we go. Now you see the hood struts are on. They're holding the hood up. The prop is doing absolutely nothing at the moment, and I'll show you that. We are now propless. Now you have a choice here. You can either store it and keep it there and not use it. That's up to you. Or simply, you got a 10 millimeter screw right there. You pop it out and it's gone forever. So that's up to you. I don't know how you are with that. I mean, if the shot goes bad or whatever, you have at least a prop. So it's up to you. But let me take this off, because I take all mine off, and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, we are now done. As you can see, it's gone. I always put the bolt back in from the hood prop, because that way if you ever need it, you know where to find it. It's always in the car. And then there is one more thing you had to do. You see that little push pin out? You had to pop that out to pop this up to get the hood prop out. The reason for that is right here. See that little end? If I get this thing to focus. See that end right there? Well, it's at an angle and it pushes in so your hood prop doesn't go flying off. So yeah, that's that. So let me close out this video and we'll catch you in a second. And not to be funny, I have done it once or twice before. There's like 7 hood props right there in the corner. So yeah, let me finish. See you in a minute. Alright guys, well that was the video for today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, it's nothing spectacular and nothing to blow your mind or anything, but you know, it's at least little things that I think that need to be done to have that look. Like I said, the hood prop is a definite. Because anytime you're working on your car, at least you don't have to, sorry about that, at least you don't have anything to mess with you now. You have free reign of the motor. You don't have to work around the prop anymore. So that is one big thing. And then the cover right there, I think it just adds a different look because it's a finished look. It doesn't look like someone just threw wires together and it was there. But everybody has their opinion, and I hope to hear yours. So I hope y'all are having a great, safe time off of work if you're off work, if you're working from home, or if you're essential personnel like I am. You know, you have to go out and do what you got to do. But stay safe. Catch me on the next video because we got some more stuff going on here. You saw all those boxes. They're not empty. So we'll catch you in a little bit, and have a great day. Peace.